Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. So today I'm super excited to bring you guys this tutorial. I'm using the brand new Too Faced White Peach palette, and I did a little poll on my Instagram asking you guys what palette you wanted to see me use next, and a lot of you guys voted for this palette. So if you want to see how I achieved that look using this palette, then go ahead and keep on watching. So if you watch my tutorials, you know I always start by priming my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just applying it on my lid. I blend it out with a brush and then buff it out with a beauty blender, and then set it with a little bit of translucent powder. For my brow bone highlight, I'm using Makeupforever Starlit Powder number 13, which is my go-to. And then I'm just going to be jumping right into the palette, and I'm going into this shade here called Creme de la Peach. And I'm just going to be buffing this shade into the crease. And if you guys did not know, this palette does smell like White Peach. This palette smells so good. So overall, I'm really impressed with this palette. None of these shades disappointed, especially the metallic shades. They are so foily and amazing. So I definitely recommend this palette. The next shade that I'm going into is called Peach Suede. So first, I'm just applying it into the crease with an angled brush for a little bit more precision. And then I go ahead and pick up a fluffier brush and further buff it out. And I guess you could have just gone in with a fluffy shade, but I thought that this shade was going to be a little bit darker. That's why I did that first step, but regardless, it gave me that precision that I wanted. So next I'm going in with this Tarte White Clay Pot Liner, and I love using this product to carve the lid. You don't have to set it because it dries pretty matte, and it just is a nice white base for the following eyeshadow to pop even more. So first I'm going into Peach Ice, and this shade did not disappoint. I feel like these type of eyeshadows are always a hit or miss because they either look amazing in the pan and they're super patchy, but Too Faced shadows never disappoint. That's just my opinion. So I'm just applying this all over the lid, and if you want it to pop even more, go ahead and wet your brush with some Fix Plus and you'll get even more color payoff. Next I'm going into Glistening Peach, and I'm just going to be applying this on the inner and outer corner. I wanted to do a halo eye using the metallic shadows. I just wanted to use as many shadows so that I could show you guys this palette in action. So I'm just applying it to the outer corner and then slowly starting to blend it inward. And then I go back into Peach Ice and a smaller defined brush, and I'm just going in left and right motions, as you can see here, just to apply a little bit more of that shadow just in case we lost any pigment in the center. Then I'm going back in with I almost called it Pink Suede, but it's called Peach Suede. And I'm just applying this even more to the inner and outer corner just to give a little bit more of that pink to pop. And then the next thing that I'm doing is going in to On the Grill, and this color is so pigmented, so be very careful. I just picked up a little bit. I just wanted to add a little bit of depth to the outer corner, so I'm just packing it onto the outer V. And then I picked up more Peach Suede and my fluffy brush just to diffuse that color. And I really love that this step added a nice touch of darkness to the outer corner. It added a little bit more dimension, which I love. Then I'm going into the Balm Cosmetics Schwing liner, which is my favorite liner, and I'm just applying my wing. And I love using tape. I feel like it gives me way more of a sharp edge than it would if I just did it freehand. So I love using tape for that step. Then I'm applying my Shop Sofie lashes in the style Barbados. The link will always be in bio to purchase those lashes. Then I just picked up my Makeupforever Aqua XL black eye pencil, and I'm just applying that in my waterline. That's my favorite pencil for that step. Then I'm just applying the same shades that I did in the crease in the lower lash line, so Pink Suede to buff out the lower lash line just to add a nice pinky transition shade. And then I'm following up with On the Grill. And I'm applying this shade very close to my waterline. Then I picked up more Peach Suede just to buff the color out a little bit more and make everything look nice and diffused. Then I applied some mascara, the Tarte Lash Paint Mascara, and I followed up with my Makeupforever Starlit Powder number 13 on my inner tear duct. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also if you have not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss a video from us. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!